Today we've got this beautiful home on a corner lot that's just minutes away from everything that Uptown Pagosa has to offer.
Paved roads the whole way in. No dirt, no dust entering through your windows as cars pass by. The lot is wrapped in pines and somebody clearly loves this yard. It shows.
You move to Colorado to live outdoors, well, this place has the yard to allow you to do it.
There's a fire pit for those nights you want a reason to stay outside a little longer.
Beside the house is a perfect spot for your RV, raft, or any one of those Colorado toys.
Inside, the first floor opens up. The kitchen runs into the dining area and the living room, so whoever is cooking is still part of the conversation. 2 bedrooms, a utility room, and a full bath finish out this level. Off the utility room is a 2-car garage. Upstairs, you have the master suite, a small office, and a loft.
This cozy loft is a great place to sit down, have a cup of coffee, and read a great book.
This is 708 Oakwood. Paved roads, pines, and a place for the toys. If you have any interest, reach out. We'd love to show you this place along with the magic of Pagosa Springs, Colorado. Cheers.